Hi guys, Brian here, and we're just doing a really quick, little bit of a light highlight on men's short hair today. We had someone ask us last week, how do you transfer highlights from a longer hairstyle on a guy to a shorter hairstyle? So here you go. I'm actually just using the big tooth on my comb, the raptor claw, dipping it in my lightener, and then just working off of his natural hair pattern. I want something that's gonna complement how his hair is gonna lay. So I'm going with all the cowlicks, swirls, texture, if there's a wave, anything like that. And then just very lightly, starting down close to the root. You don't have to worry about getting it down on the scalp, because we're going for just more of a natural sun-lightened kind of effect. And what the tooth of the comb is gonna do is it's gonna reach into the hair section and then just sort of highlight both sides of as you comb that through. So it's just a very light skimming through the top of whatever section you're doing. As I came through here, I did use clips to pull out of the way so you can work nice and neat and clean. And then just looking at where his part is, where I want to see that blonde, where I want his base just broken up a little bit. So just coming through, and a little brush, and a brush. And then we just let it lighten and then you're good to go. All right, thanks.